Babe, come on.
Good afternoon, Terry speaking. How can I help?
Hi. Would you like to take my name and address?
Sorry?
Would you like to take my name and address first?
What would it be for?
Lock.
Right. Have you arranged for us to come out at all?
Sorry?
Have you arranged for us to come out at all?
No. I'm just ordering one. I've just seen your number somewhere and I just thought I should order.
Right. Right. You need a lock replaced or changed?
No, I'm ordering a new one.
Order a new lock?
Yeah.
Right. I mean, we locksmiths. We come out and supply and fit to properties.
Yeah. So,
yeah.
I need to fit a lock, yes.
Okay, yes, no problem at all. What would that be for?
Sorry? What address?
Yeah, what's the, is that domestic or commercial?
Domestic.
Right, okay. Are you the owner of the property there, your tenant renting?
Yep. I am the owner of the property.
Okay, what's your postcode there, please?
Do you want me to just give you my address?
No, postcode's okay.
26 Bishop.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh, fucking hell. Oh.
God, but I don't know the postcode. Yeah, I'm gonna freaking post that. I didn't know what to say.
Get it up.
Huh?
Get it up there.
Well, I got the address. The Google will tell you the postcode, mate.
Ah?
You don't tell you the postcode. Oh my God, but.
Do NP22? No, NP21. No, do NP22 4X B, something like that.
What's that? NP22
4XB.
all the way NP22 one sec, let me look now.
NP22 4XB, something like that.
Right, but I got it. NP22 4EF.
Yeah.
Right then. No, whoa, calm down, wait. Hi, is this the locksmith?
Yeah?
Yeah, okay, I was just wondering if you could manufacture a lock for me, please?
Sorry?
Do you manufacture custom locks?
No, we don't. We're not a manufacturer or a shop at all. We just supply and fit.
Okay, so, let's see if we could figure something out here. What I'm looking for is, I think it's a shed or something. It's in a bit of a quiet area, so it wouldn't need to be too big. But, you provide me some kind of lock? The dimensions, right?
Okay, do you own the shed?
Yeah, I own the shed.
You do, okay. What's the postcode, please?
It's NP22
Yeah?
5XL.
Okay. NP22. Did you say? NP22 5XL.
Yeah.
Okay, stay on the line.
Can't you report me to the police now?
Huh?
Report me to the police now.
Yeah.
That's the bloody school postcode.
Is it? They don't do fuck all, man. No numbers on Skype anyway. All withheld.
I don't know if I've done it in my settings.
Yeah, it's on everyone's, man.
Better be not, but not. Please on my house now.
It is. I won't be ringing people otherwise. I just keep the guns.
Okay, can I just confirm with you? You said that the postcode is Norman Papa 22 5XL.
Right, could I ask you why you confirmed this?
Because there's only one thing that comes up, and it wouldn't have a shed in it.
Yeah, well, the thing is quite annoying, see, because I'm telling you where I can see, but, you know, it might be something wrong with your system or something, but I know...
So where do you live then? What's the address?
Yeah, I just told you.
No, just give me the address then, and I'll put that down.
Okay, MP22, 5...
No, give me the actual address then. What's the address for that postcode?
52.
Yeah, carry on.
Everton Road.
Okay, goodbye.
What? What? No way. It's the actual place as well. I'm bringing it back, man. You can't go doing stuff like that.
Racist.
Flat out. Ah, baby, come on. Here we go. Locksmith number 2.
Angry. No, the same one.
Different one.
Alright.
Here we go.
I was gonna start shouting at it.
Hello? Hello?
Me.
No, me. Like, I was gonna answer with you. Ring the other one back.
Alright then, yeah. I'll get all the consumer.
Locksmith.
Lock this up.
Hello, can you hold the line, please?
Oh yeah, I don't know if you had some connection problem, but you just hung up.
Oh! Cheeky bitch. I tell you what, ring him up now and say, my name is... What's your name? Go like that. Like,
No.
so,
Can't change my voice now, ring him up with it.
right, say something. Say something. B-L-A...
No, I can't come on, someone, come on. Like, let me go Google Maps really quick. Hey, there, wait, let me just pull up Mother address on my 1 sec.
Right.